Every time I go for a walk, I am amazed by the beauty and the peace of the forest. Trees make me happy. When I'm in a forest, I feel I am in the right place, that I am where I should be. I feel healthier, more alive, less stressed, at home. The rustle of the leaves as the wind blows through them, the smell. There are three important things in life that you cannot do too often. One is telling your loved ones how grateful you are they are there. The other one is petting a cat. And of course, hugging a tree. I thought it might be nice to show you what we bought here in the north of Sweden. Close to the house there is a rather large lake which is connected to a much smaller lake by a very winding stream. On the shore of this small lake is our house. Our off-grid house came with a very nice sized piece of land. A large part of our land borders this small lake. The main building has a footprint of almost 70 square meters and a living space of about 60 square meters downstairs and a little less upstairs. Downstairs we have 3 rooms and an entrance hall, and upstairs there are 2 rooms. And then there are also the 2 small log cabins and a collapsed barn on the property. The largest of the log cabins, or better, the slightly less smaller one, is on the same side of the property as the house. Apparently, a family lived there in the old days. There was a fireplace, but it was in bad shape, so we took it out. The whole cabin is sort of okay, but it needs work in the not too distant future. We use it for storage now. Stepping out of the cabin, you can see the gravel road. The property stretches from the outhouse behind this log cabin all the way to where you can see the end of the road, there where it rises a bit. That's about 200 meters, or more or less an eighth of a mile. To explain it a little bit more clearly, I spared no expense or effort in making this animation. This is the gravel road and the lake. The house and the larger of the 2 cabins. The outhouse, the outlines of the property, and remember, this is an artist's impression and it may not be to scale. Also, the artist is not very talented, but he tries. It's a little forest and the smallest cabin. Then the collapsed barn from which I reused the beams, and our little yellow boat. Our plot is about 3.8 hectares. On the opposite side of the larger cabin is the smaller one. It sits in a lovely spot and is probably what most people imagine when they think of a small cabin in the woods. It's fantastic and old and lovely, and I like it a lot. It also needs work, but as it is not too big, it will be a very nice project. Inside it, it's like a time capsule from the 1970s. If we walk a little further, we pass the collapsed barn, across the old pastures and then down towards the lake. And that's it, the end of the tour. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.